So, good evening. My name is Commander Aditya. Today, I'm going to speak on the topic SRT, that is Situation Reaction Test. This slide has been made by the contribution of Major RT, Major Shreyas, and Commander Aditya. So, next slide. So, what is basically SRT? So, it is the third test given by the psychologist in the series of psychological tests. When you go in the SSB, there will be some psychological test series like TAT, VAT, SRT, and one, two more. So in this, third number comes of SRT. It is conducted on the second day of SSB interview of NDA exam. Now, I would like to give an example of SRT. See, if it is raining heavily while you are returning from your office, what will you do at this time? So like these questions are asked in SRT. I've just given a demo. So next slide, please. Now meaning. By the name of it only we understand the meaning of it. The simple definition of it is that how we react on any given situation. This is the simple definition of SRT. The SSB's head means that SRT's head, they check us that how we react on any given situation. So please next slide. SRT now application where this SRT test has been conducted in NDA exam, CDS exam, and other defense related exam. Now what is the process of it? You are given a booklet which contains 60 situations prepared by Defense Institute of Psychological Research, that is DIPR. So we cannot take this SRT in light because it has been prepared by Defense Institute of Psychological Research. Now, what is this use? This test is conducted for selecting officers. Now, if at any time a situation comes to them, they should be able to handle it without stress. This quality should be there in that officer. The main reason why they are taking this test is to select such officers who are capable to handle any situation. Means in any future, if we become officer, at any situation, we must not lose our temper. We should not be in stress, and we should solve the situation easily and not taking stress. So by they select such candidates only who have that qualities. So I say SRT plays an important role in selecting officers in the SSB exam. So next slide. Now, which qualities are seen through this test? See, there are many qualities seen in this test. First one is reasoning ability. Now, I have given an example. If Rohan comes to home at late night from his NCC camp, and if his stepmother does not allow to enter him. Now, if you ask a normal person this question, what his answer is, there you might have got it. But when defense persons or the officers, when this situation comes to them, uh, see, this situation has been written by, the solution of this situation is written by the defense person only, that he will talk to her politely and convince her and enter his home. See, here he used his reasoning ability. He did not lose his temper and also not complain to his father about it. So from this we understood that the candidate is having the reasoning ability. So next slide, please. Now comes the quality leadership. Now how they will check that whether you are having the quality of leadership or not? Even in the interviews you said that I'm having the quality of leadership and all these things which they will ask that about yourself. Tell 5 positive points about yourself. Now if at that time you said that I am having leadership quality, reasoning ability, they will surely know by this test only, psychological test series only. Now see how the leadership quality is being checked. Example, if at a war situation, a team's leader is called to other post to defend the post. While leaving, the leader asked Rohan to be the leader. Now at this time he will solution lead the team with responsibility, helps his team member and successfully. 1 minute, sir.
Yes, start.
So now we will see that how the leadership quality has been tested. Example, if at a war situation, a team's leader is called to other post to defend the post. While leaving, the leader asks Rohan to be the leader. He will. Now this solution has been written again by a defense officer. Lead the team with responsibility, helps his team member and successfully defend his post. See, from this we got three qualities of that candidate. That is, first one, he is having the quality of leadership. Second one is that he's having the responsibility, as here it is written that lead the team with responsibility. So by writing only we got to his ability. So the third quality is that obeying quality, because what the leader said to him, that you should be the uh, temporary leader of it. Rohan became. He did not hesitate to become the leader. Now here, as we have seen in the 2-3 situations, from the last 2-3 situations, we can observe that the solution is given in minimum words only. So keep in mind that whenever you write SRT, whenever you write SRT situation, that test in the SSB, do not write more. Means what you have to write in it in specific only. Do not overwrite. So next. Now, the third quality which a SSB officer can see in you, it is self-confidence. Now, example is given. If Rohan's brother failed by 2% in his exam, and if Rohan does not have money to pay for his books, classes for his re-exam. Now, this is a situation where Rohan is facing. Now, solution. See, motivate his brother, does not does another job side by side and pays for his education. Now by this solution we come to know about that he's having the self confidence that yes, my brother will succeed in his re-exam. Second one, he's having the quality of motivating, that is influencing the group. If this candidate is appointed at a war post, and if the team is losing, surely this candidate will uh, have influenced the group. As we have seen in the Bahubali picture, that Bahubali uh, influences his uh, friends or his soldier to fight back against that enemy. After means before the Bahubali is that soldiers were facing defeat, but when the Bahubali said his words, motivate his group, afterwards they won the battle. So we should have the ability also that influencing our group. So next slide, please. Now the next quality ability which is seen through this SRT is stamina. Example, if a man while climbing a mountain finds a man at a flat bottom surface who is injured, now what he will do? See, the solution. He will give him water and glucon D. Means glucon D, or you can write, he can give energy drink, then take him down with the help of people who are near to him. Then he will take him to the hospital. After everything is cleared, he will again do mountain climbing. Now see, in this situation, the person who is facing this situation carries out the work very systematically. He first give him water and energy drink, that is glucon D, then take him down with the help of people. So with the help of people, he is mentioning the peoples also that he is having the quality of cooperation who are near to him. Then he will take him to the hospital. After everything is clear, he will again do mountain climbing. Now here stamina also plays an important role. So now we can see that the solution is little bit big, so always keep in mind that do not make such lengthy solution. You can just in simple say that we'll give him water and energy drink and take him to the hospital with the help of other people. This can be the best appropriate answer for this situation. So next slide please. Then comes courage. Example: if a if a house caught a fire and then screaming are heard from inside, and if Rohan is passing from that house, he will. Solution: Rohan will go inside and rescue the peoples. Will call fire brigade and ambulance. Now here he's by this solution we can see that the candidate who has written is having the quality of courage. See, also there is another point to remember that whenever you write uh, SRT situation which are related to courage and other things, see, do not try to be a superhero. First of all, means in your writing, do not try to be superhero. Here it is means correct that Rohan will go inside and rescue the people. If a situation comes that if a difficult situation comes and if you are writing like a superhero, they will surely reject that solution of that SRT. So next slide, please. Then comes cooperation. See now, example: a friend of Rohan comes to him for asking his doubt. Because he is weak in studies, Rohan has his exams tomorrow. And if he helps his friend, he will not be able to revise the chapters. Now Rohan will. Now this situation is come to Rohan. See what Rohan has wrote the answer that Rohan will help his friend and will study at night. So from this, we can understand that the candidate who has written this solution is having the cooperation, and also he could be a cooperative and much helpful if he is given a chance of officer. So next slide, please. Then comes determination. Now example: Rohan's brother is waiting to give to cricket class, but Rohan does not have money to pay. Now solution: Rohan will do job and earn money and will help his brother to go to cricket classes. Now this from this we understood that the candidate who has written this solution is having the quality determination. Next slide, please. See, now I have said some situation. I have told some situation. I have given some demo of it. Now see, there are many qualities which can be seen through situation. See, the first one is initiativeness, social adaptability, leadership, intelligence, self-confidence, stamina, courage. So next slide, please. Organizing ability, responsible or responsibility, speed of decision, logical reasoning, cooperation, use of resource and determination. See, this is that use of resource is a main quality which officers see, that how you will use the available resources to tackle your situation. This is the most important quality which is seen in this. Now we can give an example. See, I have said about stamina in the previous slide. At that time, the man gives him water, then energy drink. See, he's utilizing the resources which he's having. Also, he's paying for that hospital, also means money we can see. So next slide, please. Now, ways to develop SRT. See, always read newspaper, articles, and knowledgeable things. Now, why I'm saying these things? Because, see, by these things only you can have a little bit basics of SRT. You will understand when you read newspaper, article, knowledgeable things from beginning, and afterwards when you try to solve SRT situations, you will definitely means understand that something use are there from this newspaper articles and knowledgeable things. Also, the main point is that SRT cannot be developed in 1 or 2 years. It takes time. So keep practicing SRT examples. Then next point is that always keep in mind that they want use of available resources from your writing. See, this is the main thing. As I have said in the previous slide also and now also, that the man who helps his means who help the unknown person, gives him water and energy, he's utilizing the resources. Next slide please. Tips at the time of writing essay. See, do not overwrite, do not overthink. See, now these are the two main things you should not do at the time of SRT. See, do not overwrite. See what happens when you overwrite also, your times is been wasted, your energy thinking also is been wasted. See, at the time of SSB or at the time of SRT test, when the officers will give you this test, there will be 60 questions, situations, and you will be allotted time of 30 minutes only. That means for one situation you are having only 30 seconds. And if you are writing too much, means you are writing overwriting it, it will also consume time. Also, your energy will be wasted in 1 or 2 situations only. Now, next point is that do not overthink. This is the major problem which every candidate faces. At the time when he's given situation, if he sees a particular situation, he tries to think and he overthinks and overthinks. Now, when he's overthinking, he do not understand what to write and what not to. So always keep in mind, do not overwrite. Not compulsory to write all the 60 situations, but that does not mean that if you know, then also do not write. See, when you will be given 60 situations, cadets who are writing 35-40 situations are also selected in India. This is the data. But if you are not writing, if you are knowing also, then also you are not writing, then it will be surely create a problem. See, don't try to be superhero while writing. At the time of rescuing, in the previous slide, see, we were having a situation that if Rohan is passing near a house which has caught fire, he goes inside and rescues the people. This is a common statement. But if you are here also trying to be superhero in your writing, then it will be create problems for you for selecting you in the exam. Be truthful while writing. They want quality, not quantity of writing from you. So this is a this is the main point you should keep in mind while writing SRT situations. So thank you, and thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunities for speaking. And this slide was made by Squadron Thunderbirds. Thank you.